Okay, people, it's about 19 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Still the one I love. That thing called love. You know, Einstein said everything is relative, and I told you before, you know, which we really need to appreciate that concept some more. Relativity, you understand? Well, Einstein did say, when you sit up on a hot stove and it's a burn you for a hot second, it coming like hours and hours and hours, don't it? And when you're in love, and they love deep, and you're around a person who you love for hours and hours and hours, it coming like a second, don't it? Then I see him at this love thing a relative, you honest? You know, Jeremy, I tell him for a long time, you know, one of the way you know when you really love somebody, you know, is when the things them will disgust you automatically with other people. You don't even see it in other person where you love, you know. When you really love somebody and them wake up with stinking mouth, you don't even notice it, you know. Yeah, you might even say something like, baby, boy, your mouth stinky, come here, come kiss me. You know? It's true. I like me at you. When I make up on the face, boy, I like me at you. When you really love somebody and then you're full of matter, you know. Yeah, take it out yourself. Come on. You clean up booger out of their nose when you love them. Is it truth? When they're green and they stink and whatever, and I'll do the thing, see me and work with it. That is love. Make a next somebody come round and their mouth stink and whatever, and this and that. You want to drop down. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. That is true, Ruth. What? You never love somebody at their mouth stink and you work with the same because you love them, don't you? Talk it true. Yes, good. Eh? What she say, her mother, I want to look. Anyway, that's how I love things. Okay, so then what's the topic this week is people who are take them friend, man or woman mix up. People who are take them friend, man or woman mix up. And can you believe it, today we have a topic that is related to that with an interesting twist. Here we go. This is in the United Kingdom, the so-called parent country for Jamaica, the Commonwealth. And them Commonwealth games then. Love rat hubby bedded wife's mum than my best pal. Alright? So the husband yeah, take him wife mother and then go take her best friend. Make her read the mix-up because you don't know how we are. Hear this out. No one could accuse long-suffering Irene Whitelaw of not giving her marriage every chance. Friends thought she had shown amazing forgiveness by taking back husband Andy Simpson after he had an affair with her mother. But then he repaid Irene's kindness by dumping her for her best friend. Irene and Andy's problem started when they and their 2 young sons moved in with her mother, Marlene, after the sudden death of her husband, Randall, in 2000. Mother and daughter relied on each other for support, and Irene, who now uses her maiden name, recalls, "We all lived together, but Mum and Andy had never been really close. She'd always been a bit negative towards him because she never wanted us to marry. I just thought it was because we'd lost Dad and they were making an effort to get on. I'd always been really close to Mum, so I was pleased that they were getting on better. Irene, 35 years old, even spotted them holding hands one night, but 42-year-old Andy assured her it was just comforting Marlene, who is Irene's mom. When Irene asked if anything was going on, he laughed and told her not to be ridiculous. She says, Andy said he thought I was suffering from depression and there must have been something wrong with me to even ask such a stupid question, that being, are you involved with her mother? Then, 2 years later in 2002, she was stunned to discover the bombshell proof of an affair between her mother and her husband. Returning from a shopping trip, she found a note between the lovers which had been left on the stairs at the house in Richmond, North Yorks. On one side, 60-year-old Marlene had written how she couldn't wait to start a new life with her son-in-law and how she dreamed of running off to run a pub with him. Sick to her stomach, Irene confronted Andy, who ran out of the house. Andy caught. Then she turned to her mother. Meanwhile, Andy had gone missing and Irene reported his disappearance to the police. Later, she received a call from the nearby North Allerton Hospital, which had admitted Andy after an apparent suicide attempt. Irene agreed to visit him and he begged her forgiveness. She then told him she was planning to move back to Glasgow, her childhood hometown, for a fresh start and wanted nothing more to do with her mother. A week later, she took her young sons to stay with Andy's parents while she waited for a flat. But Andy followed her to her new home in Glasgow, and eventually, for the sake of their sons, Irene agreed to give the marriage another go. 2 years later, in 2004, the family moved into a new house in Glasgow, where Irene struck up a friendship with a new neighbor, an old pal, Lynn McNabb, who was 42 years old. Single with 5 kids, Lynn was soon popping around to Irene's. All the time, she found herself confiding in her friend. Irene says, Lynn could not understand how I could still be with him after he had had sex with my mother, but I told her it was for the kids and they needed a dad. She said she respected that. But 2 years later, in April 2006, Irene overheard Andy making a suggestive comment about Lynn's dancing at his birthday party, and when she confronted him, he packed his bags. Though Andy denied having a relationship with Lynn, the following week he moved in with her across the road. 2 months later, Irene moved home too. She says, it was too hard seeing them come and go across the road. I didn't even have my mother to turn to, as Andy had slept with her as well. Oh God. Oh God, poor Irene. Make her put it in a pot and make her know what I'm going on, you know. Irene married her, have her good husband. And Irene mother got take away her husband. Her Irene husband got take Irene mama. Now the two of them take them one another. And I do the things them. You understand? And when Irene suspect the thing, I say, well, I go on, the man turn it around for Irene, you know. I say, I go on like a depression, you know. You know, say depression I kill you. Why you the things them would sleep with their mother? You mad? And then when Irene find out now and have the real proof, you know, say, boom, you pam my mama. The boy run out of the house like thief, you know, man. And when they find him later, hospital, but him a try commit suicide. Never did I try commit nothing. A drama, you know. I flip it, pan her right there, so, you know. A real player move that, you know. You know, Jeremy. Run out of the place and they must say, where him there? And can't find him. So, she had a victim, you know. But by him running away and can't find him, him become the victim now. The sorry for thing. May I show you people manipulative, you know. Call police report him, miss them find him at hospital, him a try, but him a try kill himself. Give me a chance to baby John Wayne, and that's not kill me. So Irene say, I hear me, boom. I leg on mama right here now. I'm not chat to my mother again. I have 2 sons, so I could go start over. And then move go somewhere else. I mean, I show you people wicked, and that's why you have to know the road code in this thing. When they move to somewhere else, Dirty Lynn come up to Irene and say, what you do with him? You should have left him. You know, say a dirty boy that. What you do with that the boy that left him? You cannot go back with a man who going to take your mama. You idiot. And Irene said, no. We are trying for the kid. And when Dirty Lynn said, all right, I'm going to respect that, but you know me think you should have left him. And then, lo and behold, what we hear about later? Lynn attack the husband. Hey, Lynn, wicked. John was start Lynn cool. Because when Lynn did that, tell her, say, dirty boy, what Lynn a pre the boy like that. Tambourine, Lynn is a setter. And to make things even more wicked, you know, when Irene confront her husband about it, this is the husband what she forgave him, we're going to take her mama, you know. What him do? him not do nothing more than say, you hear me? I'm a suitcase there. Pack him bag, cross the street, go live with Lynn. Dirty Lynn. You understand? Boy, this is an instance where people are going to look at, where Jamaican are look at Irene and say, boy, she's salty. It's not salty, I'm telling you all the while. Listen to me. When you hear people talk about good luck and bad luck do not exist. No, say no phone not disagree with me. Good luck and bad luck do not exist. Whatever so-called luck or reach, it's a consequences of choices you make. And until you can accept that, then you're not going to make the necessary changes to make your circumstances in your life be more positive. Me know this sound cool, you know. But with them wicked people around Irene, what has happened to Irene is not the wicked people in fact, it's Irene choose them. You understand? So I want to know, you can't change people. If I saw you steer, I saw you steer. Right? This a boy and the Irene husband, a workless nasty boy that man. You understand? I take him wife, mama. Well, we not excuse a friend, you know, but you know. But no, sir, with all due respect. With all, we know say you have some man out there say, oh, Raga, you're low, you know, I want to blaze anything. Bunks the family, what you talk about? Boom. That was mash up for mash up on. But I don't think, say, me not respect no player who married. We talk about married and have two pitney, you know. That we talk about, you know. We don't even talk about, yo, you know, we don't even talk about that look a side thing. You see what I say? You're married. When I talk about, say, you know, say, me and I be ready to part a little bit, one of you upon a outer move, and then our mother moved to me, and I just go, so bam, and just blaze it too. When I talk about that, we talk about married with two pitney. You and your wife go through thick and thin, and then you go take the mama. Which one do you think wicked? The husband or the mama there, sir? The mama, I mean, said no five feminists, them go, there you go again, blaming the woman for the patriarchy. And is the woman. The mama, me take the mama worse. Any mama take her daughter husband worse than the husband and take the mama. That me say. That me say. That me say.
You might take the labourer and the fruits that are labour.
Yeah, look again, I say, why not? You hear me, Shelley? Say, why? You might take the labourer and the fruit. That's not the way I put it. So, poor Irene people, but at that reach Irene and a real story we are talking about. At that reach Irene right now. And when me read all them things and see them things I go on, me not care what nobody wants to say. That's why me will ever big up the rest of them. Me not in a no fall in love type of thing. I stand up in a love, we say. We will love, but we're going to love with the eye open. That's why if I'm all what day, I don't even want to all kiss with my eye closed, you know, because you know what I reach when your eye shut, you know, you understand? Me I look upon her, you know, you understand? And I just say, right now, yeah, you know, man, you have to be responsible for yourself, man. Anything that happen to you in your life, and you will make some choices to make that happen to you. All them man, the way you hear talk about them now, no luck with woman, I be a mad man, them get. I be a mad man, you're picking, and you are pick them. All them woman, the way you hear chat, but me not no luck with man, you know, me just not no luck with man. I be a careless man, you are pick.
Hammer.
Eh? And then when you ask the man, say, look on a nice girl, we're like, sure, you that man, we can't really, you know, very, this and that, and very. And then they go pick the one, the Viagra, them where I stress out them, watch it now. You see how some woman and some nice man I drive for them. No, what me I do with that? I see more clean. I nerd that man, I geek that man. And, nah, man, I don't like the man who... I like man who just stand up to me and want to wear me and argue with me and give me a little stress. I love for work feet. And then them go pick the player them, and when the player them done them nastiness, them I walk on the road. I talk about them want to go church and them want mother for help them and all them foolish this them. Anyway, people, that was
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
okay, people. Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Hi.
Yes, it's my first time calling.
Alrighty.
Anyways, that's a call with regards to the wifey and the matey argument. Matey need for quads, alright? Most of them out of them flighty-headed and them so clueless. I mean, my mother come home to me every night. And that is a must, you understand? Me I get my own, me secure. Them out there I scrape and I hope to get by.
Who the mate to them?
Yeah, the mate to them.
No man, so when the mate to them will tell us that them get better treatment than you the wife.
When me only can talk on my behalf, me can't talk on behalf of all of the wife them out there.
But how you know what kind of treatment the mate you get?
Me not a matey.
Remember you can't say that.
No, sorry.
Okay.
And them place there. It's very degrading, you know.
Okay.
As a wife, you have your place. You don't have to sneak around. You get your own.
Okay.
No man can my things come give me. Me not even ask for it.
So wife you can upfront and open.
Upfront personal, yeah.
And be acknowledged in public and thing.
Exactly.
When mate you have to hide on their house back on a gym screech and be a sitting down.
Proper, just like that.
Alright then.
Said. Anyways, never mix up.
Yeah, rinse a mix up.
Yeah, I must say, well, I know this man, right?
Yeah.
Him have a wife. Right? And him work is a hard working man, him give her everything. Him live a country but him working at home.
See it?
So him make sure say him build a big old house give her and even put a shop on the place girl so that she have money. And that's like if for the time so him can't come in.
Yeah.
Anyway, him realize every time him go a country, every time him go there for go look for her, she have frowns upon him like cause she no want give him a sort so she give him attitude and all that. One day I'm going to the shop and him say this bill, him see the bill, and him say, how come John bill so high? I said, the man named John. You know, cause him I say, no man, I trust too much things, stop trust John. So she said, no man, John alright. Don't worry about John, man, John alright. He soon fix him bill. Anyways, him say, I go back up Monday morning. So the son them say, him no want to go back up and attack, and him attack. So the night, no, him not the bed. Every night, it happen, not every night, but most night, like 1 o'clock. Then get to put at the bed. Right? And I want to wish Pasha gone in no way.
But so wait, but 1 o'clock in the morning she would get
1 o'clock in the morning.
She would just get up out of the bed and go.
And like at about after 2, so she come back. And then I wish Pasha gone, you know. Anyways, the night him say no, kill him there, him go chat to her because him go up back Monday morning and she not get no sort out and she not talk to him and him say no, my wife we can't live. So I try to talk to her, but I be attitude she give him a turn her back on him and all that. Anyways, but 1 o'clock so she get up out of the bed and him there lay down because him not sleeping and I say, which part she does she not come back? So him get up out of the bed and say, I go look for her. So I walk on the house, it's a big house, you know, like about a 6-bedroom house, it's a big house single year. So I walk on the house now, so him pass the door and him hear some groaning. So him got the door and him push him here to the door and him hear the groaning and I say, no, but she not sound like she not pain. So I'm going to knock on the door, knock on him one door, knock at a female house. When him knock on it, she push out her head and hear her. Yeah, she say, Rufus, we had to go back to your bed, man, go back to your bed. And then you know the man just walk, go back in her bedroom.
Liar tell.
No, that.
Hold on, it's him by the house, don't it?
Him billiard, car country, by land big yard, billiard.
Yeah.
Put the look a shop on it, gear.
Yeah.
Sort her out, a man will walk.
Sort her out in terms of gear what she need and all them.
So she can feel secure, you understand?
So him have all rights in the house. Him a man a yard in the house, don't it?
Man a yard in the house.
A man a yard in the house. Him woman get up about 1 o'clock and...
But apparently he's not man a yard as to how would I think because...
Exactly. Then him get up now and hear him get up and hear groaning in one of the room in a film.
Yes.
And when him knock on the door, him woman
push out her head
and send him go back in bed. And then go back in bed.
And him go back in bed and him go back in bed go do cry.
Go cry?
Cry.
Go cry?
I must know what to do.
Well, yes, if I say that now, when I not the crying thing, you know, but yes, if I say what happened and him left and go back go cry, you just tell me what type of man him is.
A mama man?
No, mama man, in just soft.
In soft.
In just soft. I want them nice man, the soft.
No, soft, but me I tell you, but anyway, she's your wife and I guess she's...
Hold on, let me tell you something. You see, from fear head push out and she said, go back, ayo.
Bed.
You see, by if you say bed, and my foot that I go upon the door, you know, man.
Yes, that's what I said to you, Raga.
And the door kick off, you know. No, the door kick off. Me, I tell you, say the door kick
off.
No,
Alright.
no, but I have said something. I've been saying something on radio for a long time, and people tell me, say, I lie, me, I tell. No, the next thing when me I go say, me get burn out feet all, why?
Okay.
But you see, for me kick down that door there, and me see me some man in there who start on my one. You know, say me now worry him. Unless him go on like him want come style me and hype up the thing, then a different thing. Right? Me now worry. No, hold on. Him never broke in and a rape her.
No.
Is she bring him in?
But don't him know somebody there, Raga? If
him know say you there. No, alright. No, why? In my style me there. In my style me there. So. No, but me I say in other position.
And it's not the first, you know. She house I came in there.
I know, but now that me catch him, me I tell you, say, me that was look upon him and say, Mr. Man. No, me I keep it real, you know. Me I say, Mr. Man, at my house this, leave. You see, if him go like him no want to leave and go like because him upon my wife and whatever him right, a different thing that, then him have got to talk to my last or something. We're not allowed to incite violence on radio. But just I tell you, answer whatever, a different thing right there. So, cause any him go move to me right there, so me I defend myself. Because me not focus on she yet, you know, I deal with him first. Because him for just know, say, you know, say the thing where you for the right now is just leave peacefully. Right? Me now worry, me can't rape him or rape her. No. If I broke in at the house and I rape her, then a different thing that him have to understand himself. Yeah. I see, hold on, I see after him leave now, then me deal with fear case.
Yes, she forget it. Because she show no respect, so she take the man for papi show.
Then she bring him in our house.
Yes, that's true.
You understand? Him couldn't come in there unless she bring him in our house. And like I say, a female something, I soft him soft. And when woman get soft, man, woman done soft, man. And sometimes when a woman want even respect a soft man, they say because him so soft, it kind of even hard for them show him any respect. Sometimes woman do some hard thing to some soft man for just draw them out for them stand up, you know, for them stand up strong, you know.
No, but more time when them do that, you know, so it end up say somebody did that, somebody in the hospital.
All of that, then that me I tell them me not go kill them because you know you go get mad, this I kill you, I go kill somebody, you know. And next thing you know, you there prison, I tell some big thick man for stop come around and you sell I look upon you. And she the outer road I take Adams. You understand? I take an ex-man. Gone there with Chris Cross or Jermaine or somebody else and think and you in a prison and fight off, man. Yeah. For what? For what? She go about her business and go look Lisa Anna. You understand? So
anyways, as my friend say, matey, stand by generator. Wife it to the world.
Okay, blessings and respect.
Alright, then respect, bye.
She said, matey, a standby generator. But that brother, they are soft in a Jermaine. You know, Chris Cross, I saw himself, man. And whatever, you can't have your woman sat out the next man in your house. And when you knock on the door and say, yo, go on, she just lean out and say, babes, the way you do it, I'm not telling you if you go to bed. Go on back to your bed, man. You go back to your bed, go on back. Breaking mix up. Yeah. Bring it in. Hello, what go on? Hello? Yes, hello.
Rather, good morning, good afternoon.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Jeremy, listen carefully with the background noise them. Yeah, talk up to me, darling.
Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga.
Me say, we did I try reach you yesterday, baby? We did I try reach you yesterday?
Me know that try reach me, but you could get me. You could get me because I did busy. But me hear about it, I'm come for angler.
Well, all right, now, when you, why you talk up, but remember, say the parade, say you can't say nothing nasty or disgusting here.
I say nothing nasty.
Okay. Me say, we want to hear your side. Talk up the things I'm going to hear your side of the story. Yeah.
And me and him there for how much years. And the girl, I be a scrape outside and I be a sideline position she take. Rather, she talk about me and I be the same, I got lie she tell, she be do it after me.
Well on, who first be with the red rag?
Me first be with the red rag, Raga.
Well on, how you know you first be with the red rag?
Because when me take it out, it did seal up.
What?
It did seal up in them jar, so me take it out.
So, seal up? What do you mean seal up?
Me get it seal. Me get it here. When me get the rag, no ear no pass through the rag there, yeah?
No, well, what me I said though is that usually when rag sell it, no selling and nothing seal.
No man that wanna come steal in a basket and everything him get is a gift.
Oh.
Me, yes, Raga, and me first, and me. The girl a sideline scraper. I be a she scraper. Raga, my ear up and radio attack about say, oh, me dirty. Raga.
Yeah.
She talk about me dirty. She frowns like my dog when I'm polishing. Enough to do it.
Okay.
She enough to do it. Raga, she talk about how much she. Raga, can you imagine this? You a carry a baby in a your belly. I have to tell the world, so yeah, dash. Raga, you know, she dirty.
Okay.
Raga, what kind of girl that? I hope she listen me. Number one, him don't want her.
No, but she said she left him for you because.
I like she tell Raga, right now I'm mad. Raga, I'm sending one text last night. Say, you never know say you have something good till it gone. And if you be one the girl Raga, he would have sent she the text. And I me get it. So she for go and go out with her Abmag. Raga, first of all, is not the boy fit me. And him say, him now we're not the way can't fit him, so she for go sit down.
Oh, well on, boy. She say, him own up the belly and own up the pitney and say him want her for have it because she da have an abortion and she make him have it and the arrangement is after she have the pitney, she will pass on the pitney to him. No, I was in disagreement with her when she said she going to give him the pitney after 6 weeks and things. But she said that was the agreement. What you think about that?
Raga, first of all, Raga, she raffle them. I raffle that. You know what she do?
Well on. I raffle the pitney. What you do?
I raffle.
How you know I raffle she? Well, how you know I raffle she raffle? Because you basically I say she take her man. How you know that?
What? It's a girl where everybody know about down to the wall. It's a girl where everybody hear about. She just walk a box herself, so. I left from north, south, east, and west. I don't know if she reach all here. I don't know, but me hear say she got to all 6 parts already.
Okay.
Raga, no arrangement never make. No arrangement. Number one, him not mind it. Him not mind because it's not female one. A pin and a jacket upon him and it can't fit him, so she's going to find somebody else where it can't fit.
But well on, she would in a position to say I could have possibly even if him never have unprotected sex with her. So clearly there is a possibility. So probably we're not going to wait until he put the barn and do a DNA test to determine if him are really the father, right?
Raga, she have the belly there.
Well,
she have the belly there a long time. It's a soft, I think soft.
Oh, him soft.
Him soft, Raga, him soft.
Okay.
Soft.
Okay, him hard soft. Oh.
Yeah, him hard soft, Raga. That's why she have pin it on funny. Raga, what the girl tell you about one boy, about this fish?
She say you make what homosexual you to call her and I don't her.
Me?
Yeah, so you make what woman. She said first of all, she said you call her phone 24/7 and a bother her and a pressure her. And want like you want war her. And she tell it and like say you're afraid of her because she give her address and be things and you run up your mouth and when she move to you hide out and all them things then y'all make all a homosexual you to call her and a cuss her and all them things there. You do that for true?
She not move to me. She no move to me and lie. She tell Raga, I tell her, say, me out the Apetit in front of the hospital in case anything you can run, go in the air.
Well, which hospital they are for you?
Me out of Spanish Town, that's the hospital.
Oh, Spanish Town.
Right, but I say, meet me there, so she ask me, why we must meet her there? So I say, if anything she can run, go in the air.
Okay, so what you mean? What you mean? Say, if you get her a proper beating and she need to go to hospital, she can go in right away.
Right away, she can go in. That's why I say meet me there. Raga, she not step to me. Cause she did step to me. That in her belly would not.
So well, no. What you say a while ago? If she did step to you, the baby in her belly would not live right, you know.
Raga, me know.
No, but that's so like a cool thing for some man. Like you. People are listening what you say a while ago and basically I say, she did run to you, you'd have met the baby dead, the way you beat her.
No, Raga, but what, Raga, she trying me now. She trying me now, Raga, how much she gonna stab me up, and she got this, and she got that, and she got pluck me, Me and she said she gonna pluck me like chicken. She gonna stab me.
She said when you on a block, when you on a buck, you gonna get plucked. Something like so.
Yeah. If me see her, and if me and she flip, she'll get flopped.
All right, well, let me ask you. You didn't make a homosexual call her and a trace her for true?
Me make a homosexual call and trace her, Raga?
You may ask you. You just repeat the question. What?
Hello.
How old is?
This is a guy.
Are you call her and did a trace her? Eh? Answer the question. How old is?
Hello.
Yes, are you the call the girl and a tracer?
I did not trace her, Raga.
Is a man me I talk to? Yo, turn off the radio now, Mr. Man. Turn off the radio, man.
Me not on the radio.
Okay, so is a man me I talk to?
Yes.
Are you a homosexual?
No, Raga.
You not a homosexual?
No, Raga.
So how you talk like a lady, so?
Me no know, Raga. A good father created man, I got talented child.
What? Why? What you say a while ago, me don't even hear any sound, make me a laugh.
Raga, me not born 2 times, one time I born.
You not born 2 times, I want to.
Dump in a glass case, wait to me, my friend, all her.
She favor a dope in a what?
She said, if I dump in a glass case, brother versus just wait to me, my friend, Bokar.
When you and your friend Bokar, which friend, man friend or woman friend?
My friend.
Me say if it's a man friend or woman friend, which, oh, you mean the same girl there?
Yeah.
Okay, so, let me ask you something now. Why you are getting involved in it now? Why you are getting involved in it?
I'm a friend, Raga. I come from basic school, primary school, high school. I'm a friend, Raga. We come like sister.
Oh. That weird. That, well, I know. Big and serious. You own up the woman thing, you know. He's a man and you own. Talk you got truth. You're gay. Just tell me you don't say if you're gay. You love man, no?
Raga, Raga,
no, but me I ask you straight and plain. You know see man and like man?
No, Raga.
You never see a man that answer man at you too damn lie.
Raga, me tell you something already. We know bum lie. I'm about to lie for you yet?
No, what me I say is this now. We keep it real pan us way. Don't you know that?
Yeah.
All right then. So what me I say? If you
this is a show about how much I pay, but here I know my call back yesterday and said, don't think I'm here you talk for Raga show. She said, oh, you know, I'm never call you and tell you something I call Raga. You can
well on. You stay right there, so we're going to call her right now. What
you do?
Well on. We're going to call Jeremy, put your finger near to that button right there, so. Bring her in right here now. Bring her in right here, son. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, are you we talked to yesterday about the
yes, Raga, the baby man. Yes.
Well on now. Papa Jesus, you know. Well on you know.
I'm ready to go.
Yes, Raga,
all right, well on. Put the you on hold for a second. Let me talk to she for a second. Because it's going to end up in a bit of confusion. Yes. You hear what I'm going on?
Raga, let me say so the girl that lie. You see, after I find out about the red rag, Raga,
yeah.
She said she called the boy, and the boy said the red one me used to be able to take as a wife, dressed as a different red one. She have a beard, so she said she get that now basket, Raga, lie, she had tell.
So yeah, so the first red rag where she get thing, him start use that and wipe off a dresser?
No, after when she used to call me, you know, and ask about the rag, what kind of rag she had, she says a red rag. I said, a short red rag, she said yes. Anyway, she came up and called about the boy Raga. The boy told her, she said the boy told her, the red rag when me used to be with, it clean just a long time. It's a new rag, it's a new different red rag in the ark. I have enough for them, and that she said the boy told her, Raga, so lie, she had tell.
Okay, but all right, you hear our friend who say him not gay, are you who you think gay? You know, hear him say like
yeah, because you see the say you sound like a fish. Him say, and so what my money enough. And I say, come here, you want to be able to father for yourself. Him say no, because the baby father now no money. Ragged boy a fish, because after you say me done call her, please call me. Him say me no stop say me, please call me. And I'm calling back Ragged. He said to me, say, why me should go for Ragged? And I said, them say, me done, so me say for Ragged, me nah know I.
All right, when me want to ask you now, give it that to me in this drama, you 5 months pregnant and all them thing there. What you think need for happen for this a drama and excitement done so it not reach a point where it well I'll cheer on the end up at the one another something. What you think need for happen?
Raga, them don't know me but me know the girl. Them don't know me, the girl come like Papa cheer. Raga, the girl long and tall and cranky.
What you say she not look good?
She don't look good. I want picture, I want downtown, white pants, I want change, pretty blouse. Who's she?
What you say? What you say? You see her downtown, I want $300 pretty blouse.
I want a picture, I want $300 pants, I want $200 downtown, pretty blouse.
Want $300 pants, I want $200 downtown, pretty blouse.
Yes, rather.
What you say? You see? Is that picture?
She don't look good. She not a shape. She not a curve. She not nothing at all.
But you still, all right. But you still not answer me now. What you think need to be done for make that drama you finish off?
Rather, she not gonna stop calling say drama. Not gonna stop.
All right. Well,
she come live walk up on free night.
All right. Well, no. Well, I'm gonna ask him something. Well, give me back that people. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Raga, she said me a fish after how she wanted steam or fry or escobie. She wanted with soup like a bread and some crackers. How she wanted. Yes.
What you say? I said that word there, yeah?
Which word?
Yeah, the B-man word where you use. Here, you can't use that word.
Raga.
All right, you can't use that. Thank you for cooperating and helping me here and so forth. Use homosexual. You know, the bossy people them prefer that word there. We don't want any context set on the program. You know I think set and whatever. But you still not telling me the truth, you know.
Who, me?
You still not telling me the truth, you know. No man, you say.
Me, Raga? She not sleep with Raga.
But when you see somebody who you say that person look attractive, is that man or a woman?
Woman.
You don't say you're wicked. You don't say you're wicked.
Raga.
You don't say you're wicked. January, you're wicked. But, hey, for somebody who not run for talk up the things and own up the things, I'm surprised you don't want to own the thing and just say a man you love.
Raga.
Whoa, yeah.
Raga, this is the girl.
Yeah.
Raga. Raga. The girl got me to I got my cocoa back to shape. So she grudge me after she shape like white cranberry.
She shape like white cranberry and you shape like the cocoa back. Tambourine! Hold on. What you just say? You have the Coca-Cola back shape and she shape like the white cranberry back.
Yes, Raga. Raga. If I go down a walk, Raga. I see the big one now. Them Raga just not them head from left to right.
All right, well on, real quickly though. She said the war now go done because of you always a caller. So I'm gonna ask you, can you and your friend, you know, the you two say man are homosexual, can willing to stop caller?
We must stop calling.
Yeah, don't call her phone. Just to make the one.
I like your tail. Raga, I like your tail, Raga. Raga, you can't listen to only one side of the story.
No, me not listen. That's why I hear your side I know because she say you always a caller.
You see my phone?
Yeah.
A beer text.
What?
I'm in a love woman in a Raga and the girl I done my phone with beer text. I'm in a love woman. Beer text and beer private number. So my answer, she start go, hello, that little crow.
Oh.
That crow.
All right.
Liar.
All right, hear me now. We'll check in back at a later time and see that thing I set up. But we appreciate you calling in and I make we understand your side of the story. Before we go down, I'm going to ask you straight and plain. Your friend was saying he's not a homosexual. Him not gay. Talk it true.
No, he is not a gay.
Him not love man?
No. My friend have him woman.
Him have a woman?
Yeah.
Like, and since you and him a good friend.
Woman, she look 10 times better than a girl the way I call and I chat about red rock.
And him and the woman sort out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right then. We check back in and thing here. But respect for the heel and thing and, you know, you give her your side of the met and thing. You see me? All right? Okay. Oh, that was an interesting perspective on that mix-up, right? Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello?
Raga.
Whoa.
What going on?
There you know.
You see that boy we call a while ago, he sound like a gay for you.
Okay. What? Hello?
Homosexual.
Him sound like a homosexual.
Yes, son.
Okay, all right. So you convince him that homosexual?
Yeah, man, the way him talk, and him go and talk, well, like he want to talk like Shibada. Shibada style not fit him.
Okay, what you say? Him like him want to take off Shibada style and
I don't Shibada alone fit.
Okay. But you convince him as a homosexual?
Yeah, man, and then two young ladies, they need to just start out the thing and just be easy because it makes sense you kill him or shout out.
When you say start out, you mean them need to done the war?
Yeah, man, done the war. Because they make nothing then go war. One will kill each other. None of them now end up getting the man. The man will all laugh after them.
Oh, Zins, I just for them to take it right, I know.
Yeah, man, they just need to just come
but
together.
it sounds to me like you say, it sound weird what the two of them are, you know, not like one another. And it sound weird, you know, look too right or something.
Look too good, man. Because she had to take up for the man and I said, she don't know if it's for the man. You don't know what a man is doing out there. Because the reason why that young lady could have owned that and say, yo, and the man pitney. The man must go there and do something unprotected.
See, that is the point I was making.
Yes.
But tell me something now. Suppose you stay saying you're the type of person who say, boy, yeah, you don't even know why we don't woman over no man, you know. And a woman a pressure your phone and just attack up some things and tell her which part of you too spacious, which part of you are rotten away, and say, she the man want, and him over a yard right now, and all them something there, and I tell you some hard things, and I tell you, so the man said this and that, and a woman a call up your phone and attack up some sitting and thing.
Raga?
What you do?
Do nothing. What if you do more than, if me sign out to the person I call me more than one time then?
Yeah.
We just answer the call, simple as that.
No, but why if them start, you know, so that voice just sound familiar, you know. Ruth, how would it? So somebody woman know?
No, man, a Christian me come from, you don't know me.
Okay. But what me I say is, then you tell me, say, if that woman they call and tell you, say, and tell her which part mold upon the man body where you think say only you know and all them something there and all them things there.
I won't do nothing. Me not kill a man, and me not go war a man, and me not go war a girl. If a girl come to me and say I want war, me not tell her say me not go back down.
Yeah.
Yeah, me will defend myself, but me not.
Then suppose she block her number and I call you and still I tell you all kind of things about all you and your mother and all them something. The reason why me I say this, you know, because this is what is actually happening out there. Only for people who want the war, you know, is when somebody call them and start telling them the hard things, them and that draw them out, you know. And that me I say. So it's easy to say when you're not involved in it, you know. But when you love somebody and y'all have a baby father and think, hello? Okay, we'll lose a call of it. I don't know what happened right there. But the point me I make is enough time people don't want them drama. But you have somebody who call up them phone and just attack up some things. And all I left out some hot message. And when I say hot message, I mean hot message, you know, man. You know? My mate to call one wife, you know, the wife knows her husband I give born, you know. Right, follow me now, you know. Hear this, you know. The wife knows her husband I give born, you know. And fear reasoning is, as long as it don't come up into her face, she not go whatever, this and that, and he must just make sure, say, him not bring home no disease and what, you know. Alright. The mate to call her phone and left a message. And the mate was able to tell her, say, like should I say, you see when you cook oxtail Monday, and many of it. You see when they cook oxtail, it's when they cook so and so the Tuesday, and me eat it. So the mate know when the wife I cook every day and I get the husband and the husband I carry the food, go get the mate, you know. And I said, and the mate, you know, I call the wife for help on this. Draw out wicked, you know. Move to the husband with machete and final mate and all them something there. You understand what I say? Sometimes it's easy if you just say you not get involved, you know. But some of them will just call and tell you all some of things, you know. And them have a way to tell you which part of your anatomy is excessively spacious. You understand? And them look at thing that burn some people. To the phone line we go. Good afternoon, yeah. Hello. Hello. Alright, hold on. Just talk a little quieter here, no shouting on iPhone. How this a biggie? How this biggie?
Right.
Alright, biggie, talk. I want to hear the mix up playing. So.
First thing when I big up the boy, I'm going to see woman and say,
Hold on, biggie. Your phone sound pop down, so we don't know.
My phone don't pop down.
I whisper you there. You there in your bathroom?
I don't in a bathroom, in everything shop. Listen me, I tell you now.
Hold on, man. Then you can't go somewhere when I hear so much echo, because it sound like it.
Not your mind.
We don't want to hear no car. We want, but I hear so.
come out to see. You saw me,
Eh?
Yeah, Jamaica now.
Yeah.
Raga, big up the boy, I want to see woman and say my cook and see a bully beef, Raga, and camera.
Hold on, biggie, me not hear nothing what you say. Hold on, wait, stop. The Jeremy, me not hear biggie at all. I walk. Stop, tell me, listen me, I tell you something, me not hear what you say, I tell me, listen, what the backside do you? Wait. Jeremy and me, biggie voice sound jumbled and whatever. I don't know if I pop down our phone, pop down our coach, take our furniture and be echo in our building or what. We don't know what is what.
I know coach, give me no furniture, Raga, furniture man, building the furniture, I'm a Oscar, furniture building on me, Raga. What's now comes for now? Biggie, probably you just, if you don't shout, we will hear you better. All right, so what you say now? Big up the man, what on? What's going to woman and say, I'm going to cook and can't see a bully beef and come back home after Raga. Him go woman yard and say, I'm going to cook? Yeah, him say, I'm going to cook food, Raga, and can't smart in a bully beef and come back home after Raga. And after him cook the smart in a bully beef, him take back home? Smart in, listen, him cut it in a two and come back home after yard. Oh, so him just cook half then? Yeah, and come back home half. So what wrong with that? Raga, me no want a man to make no smart in a bully beef and come back home after. I want you to come together. That smart is a big thing. Raga can't belly full me. I bet. Raga, there's not even a chicken in here. Raga, not even 2 pound of chicken back a pound of turkey neck. Raga, pin tell my part tight. Another day, me to cheap meat. You must have mad Raga. You must have a big bully with 2 pound of rice. But Biggie. Yeah. But Biggie, some people are listening to you now and I say, say you. When I come from Kingston, I come to Kingston 21, Kingston in part 2, we came back after a bully for that man try show you, Raga. Where you say a while ago, what? Kingston, I to Kingston 21, Kingston, that in part 2, we came after a bully beef, Raga. That is foolish. Why? Where say Biggie, him leave from Kingston 9 and come at Kingston 20? Kingston 20. Him left from Kingston 11 to Kingston 20. So he go through 9 borough in a Kingston so far if he just bring one smart in a bully beef and on top of that thing cut. Raga, my solution to the problem was that him should have cook no water in a rice and add the sugar and sweeten it and save rice porridge. Don't bother carry bullies can we have to go carry back home part Raga. Don't bother bring a smart in a bully beef and then just cut half it and cook only half and then carry back the other half. You see a slackness that? Raga, but you just sweeten it, just put water and then sweeten it to look at sugar. Maybe you can't afford the milk, you just sweeten it, look at sugar, because dark sugar for 30 or a pound, Raga. So then sweeten that they get rice porridge. But Biggie, what me I say, people are listening right now and I say, yo, suppose that the man can afford and him have to bring back the other. I afford, look, what can I carry? I can Raga afford to say to the girls, say, baby, they don't say, me have nothing, I make you try and make the cat to get something else to cook in Raga. Raga chicken make up a $30 pound and meat and chicken make up a $5 pound and a small good beef of $90. I pay the pound and chicken make a seasoning and I would have done. Oh, so you said this, hold on. You said the smart in a bully beef for $90, but chicken back about $45 a pound, you say? $45, chicken neck for $30. And chicken neck for turkey, that. How much a turkey now? Turkey neck for $70, $67, it all depends on which part you got bad. Okay, but you know the price, then me? Okay. All right, no, but so what you are saying now is that given that the small tin of bully beef costs $90, and given that him can get a pound of chicken back for $45 chicken neck in our region there, it would have been better as a man for him come there with a pound or 2 pound of chicken back rather than for come there with a small tin of bully beef, cut the small tin of bully beef in a half, only cook half and gone back with the other half. You said that a slackness. Okay, no, but do something to it. Well, cook chicken back in it, just cut out the fat and fry to get the oil that is so. What you say? What? Piece of tomato and piece of onion. Well, Michelle, shake her head and I say, what you say? You don't even have to buy oil for cook chicken back because what? You want to have the chicken back good and the fat and fry up the fat, Raga, you get the oil this. So.
Oh, the fat just give the aisle. The fat give the aisle for fry the chicken back, so you don't even have to go buy aisle.
Right,
No, biggie. Tambourine for that heart there because the people them say a real thing at that. We know about the fat for the chicken and thing.
No, I'm not trying to get only for the only also like I say short and think and say down there like a piece of tomato, piece of pepper because they must have less of a piece. Rather you get that. I'm about to call it a $5 okay, a piece of your meat. It's nobody not like nobody no way I cook rather it smell like a curry meat. It depends on how you cook the fat good rather. So, I want $10 carrot rather you cook it down pan that I want to
no, but you see the point. Hold on. The point I want to make, and I don't want people misunderstand you, is not a money issue you're depending on. The point you're making is that if that is the only money you have, there are other things you could have buy to make yourself look better than for coming in there with a small tin of bully beef and go and cut it in half and cook half and go and whatever. You are saying could have buy other meat and get more meat for cook and the thing look better and thing than for boy you cut a small tin of bully beef in a two and whatever.
Then for reception, Raga, so you have a juice to them, look at that something there, Raga, look at that thing to stretch it. Raga, you have to look at 10 things, 10 pound of chicken, she cook Raga, she cook out 2 pound of chicken and 3 pound of chicken, I mix it, and I know where she cooking a pot, Raga. You get piece of chicken and piece of chicken back, make up with you, and then I know Raga, so no people have stopped when they eat the oxtail. I'm not telling like, Raga, would I like to eat piece of oxtail? I'm turkey neck very often.
What you say, what?
A long time I eat the oxtail, I'm about turkey neck very often, and it tastes the same way, Raga, and it look the same way on the plate.
No, biggie, stop your damn food. Or turkey.
Raga, let me tell you, somebody cook the food different. It all depends on how you cook the food, Raga.
Biggie. Oh, turkey neck. Biggie, shut your clout. Make me talk, no man. On the backside, do you? When me a chat to you, that your mouth does a fire whistle. Listen to me. How the edge side turkey neck for taste like oxtail? Are we a clown me out?
Raga, I never said taste. I said look like oxtail and put the beef back.
No, you didn't say taste too. You didn't say taste too, Biggie. You didn't say taste too.
No, I said taste well, it's time whatever, but you look like oxtail. Raga, come and put the broad bean pan it.
So when you cook down the broad bean or butter bean with the oxtail, with the turkey neck, it look just like how oxtail look, don't it?
Yeah, I could oxtail, yeah.
But you see, enough time, in a bossy people we talk about the importance of aesthetics in Jamaica, presentation, how the thing look, man. You understand? And that you basically are saying, if you have something will look like oxtail, it will eventually taste like oxtail.
And then remember, wash and blend, grab a market back to church till I know say that 2 pound.
Wait, you say a while ago, what?
The wash and blend, drop a market.
No, hold on. The wash what?
The wash and blend.
I know me no hear what wait, Michelle, hold on, the biggie. Hold on, Michelle, what she say a while ago?
Said the wash and blend. She have to just wash off and blend up them, not so flushy fair,
Oh, the wash and blend. Hold on, but Biggie, teach me. Which food fall under the wash and blend category? Carrot.
I'm going to put it for the vegetable. I'm going to use it to mix the juice.
Okay.
And then I'm going to get 2 plants for $50.
Biggie.
Yes.
I want you to come into studio tomorrow, yeah? All right. And don't call me and tell me something for send taxi for you. I'm not in it. Okay. Say taxi them, I drive with a car them.
Yes.
All right. Well, why you coming to studio tomorrow? All right.
And the music will be by foot ahead, yes?
No, all right. Biggie, tell me about it tomorrow, yeah?
Right.
Because that's where you talk straight in a microphone and people can follow you better, yeah?
Alright.
And I worry, I'm a friend. Same way, when me and your cousin and go on bad, me now walk a road and hear anybody say anything bad about you. As them say anything bad about you, I done them. Oh.
I want them not going to meet them, just lock them off, rather, because no for them come and look where I'm battery when them plug in, rather, them just dead, so. When them look around battery, rather, as them put their only just dead it short circuit.
Which battery them there? As you plug them, as you put...
Them, I just put them in so them short circuit, them just dead, so...
The red battery them?
Yeah, but remember, son, every dead can't wake.
And every dead can't wake. And enough of them a chat up their mouth and them coming like the red battery, they don't.
Right, Raga, but means that energizer go on and on and on.
So Biggie, so what you said, the reason why them coming like the red battery is that as soon as them go in, them just dead, so no.
Dead, you're right.
Tambourine. All right, Biggie, now Morrow's here.
Yeah.
Yo, remember me tell him Biggie a sample people, Biggie from Jerusalem who say fear house at Jerusalem laundromat cause she have 4 washing machine. I tell you that girl ain't no normal, you know. Give me a next caller before, give me a next caller. Hello.
Is it Raga?
Sekaba come What? Seki the nice me come my bro just nearly tear a piece of my lip here.
Oh,
Seki so. Seki, what you say?
Me there Raga look at me 2 years.
Yeah. A 2 years?
Yes, Raga.
All right, so I'm going to talk to me, Seki.
Me nyam the head, nyam the skin and kill the vine.
I'm going to die. What you say she do, Seki? Talk, what?
She nyam the yam, Raga, she nyam the head, the skin, and she kill the vine. She whole breed, Raga.
She nyam the head, she nyam the skin, and she kill the vine.
Yes, Raga. Nothing kill it. She kill the whole breed, Raga.
Then Seki, here's a question now.
Yes,
you're sure in a room and them a spread pan the woman out?
Raga, it's when I find out about the nephew and the daughter, man.
Yeah.
She got fasting for 1 week straight.
What you say what?
She got fasting, Raga. For 1 week straight, she got fasting at church.
When them find about the nephew and the daughter son.
Yes, Raga.
Well on. So she take the father, daughter, son?
Yes, Raga.
No, but how old is she and how old is her son?
The husband a big woman, Raga, big woman.
No, she take her husband, daughter, so yes, the husband a big man.
Yes, Raga.
Oh, so the husband much older than her then?
About the soft man, Raga.
Eh?
The man soft.
He's soft.
He's quiet, Raga, he's quiet.
So why she go take the her husband, daughter, son? Like what is
Raga,
that?
all they live in the house, Raga.
Eh?
All they live in the same house.
Oh, they live in all right,
so
Seki.
when the man gone out, no, Raga.
Well, I Seki, don't move. I got a break. We're coming right back to you. Here.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them. Digicel is giving incredible discounts on postpaid phones this October. Get incredible discounts on phones like the Coral C645 for $1,575, Nokia C3 for $7,475, and Samsung S5233T $8,975 when you sign up for any of Digicel's select 1,000 and above postpaid plans today. Plus, get 50% off all Blackberries and 1 month free Blackberry service with your postpaid Blackberry purchase. Conditions apply. Promotion ends October 31 or while stocks last. Offer available at select Digicel stores. See the press for details. Call or text 37 to 137 free for more info.
There's no better deal than a mother's everyday value meal. Come sample and you will see our big burger, jerk chicken, the 2-piece chicken meal at $359. Mothers are the trend, none of them can follow. For mouth-watering taste you can't resist. Come into Mothers and try our delicious burger and chicken meals for only $359 at Mothers. Satisfaction awaits you. For the best prices and the best taste. Value for your money, yes, our Mothers are the place. There's no better deal than a Mothers everyday value.
Action tonight.
Action tonight is hitting all the hot spots starting this Friday night. Yes, a GB Sports Bar and Lounge will come alive with parking lot pimping. Yes, parking lot pimping. non-stop excitement and entertainment, board games, card games, poker, pool, and drinking competition. So all you sexy ladies, yes, the sexy ones, come get some action after work this Friday, because the men will be spending. No need to get stuck in traffic. Head on over to GB Sports Bar and Lounge for the parking lot pimping. Action tonight at GB Sports Bar and Lounge, 1A Caledonia Avenue, across from Upper Camp. It will be live right here on Nationwide 90 FM, a revolution in the nighttime radio. See you party till the morning light.
Give me 5. Give me 5. Pay for 5 Digi to Digitex, and the next 100 that day are free.
With Digicel, your credit lasts longer. Conditions apply.
A mix up and blender time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, up in our mix-up sitting with me, the king of mix-up, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti, and we have second back coming on the phone right here. I give you a mix-up about one woman where I take her husband, nephew, I take her husband, daughter, son, which is essentially for her step-grandson, that's how it go. And then I take, how old she I take again? Yeah, Seki.
Yes, Raga.
How old she I take again?
The husband, the best friend, Raga.
The husband, best friend?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, so you did explain to me how she come here do them thing there. So tell me what I want this.
After they sign out, she did with the nephew and the daughter son.
Yeah.
She admits her true.
Oh.
And she got fasting and get counseling.
So she go fasting and beg forgiveness and get counseling, and then they sitting there. Yes. And then what?
I want me fasting. I got fasting to Raga, but you can go to fast and business, you know. And then fast.
So when you say you go fasting, but your fasting must have fast in our business.
Yes, Raga.
And then what happened then?
After that, no, Raga, the husband move her and then rent her house.
Yeah.
You see, sometimes when as the husband gone, Raga, the best friend, you see, they walk through a shortcut, which is a board and a one saw.
Well, the husband best friend, as soon as the husband gone, the husband best friend, I walk through a shortcut to board.
Yes, Raga. And when you got the house now, Raga, you go here like you knock the board and draw the saw pan you like in your work. And for the whole day, you know more sound.
So we him there the whole day when the husband are there.
Yes, Raga.
Oh.
When you say husband soon come now, or sometimes in working, so you know, come until all 2 weeks or weekend. So one night, no, Raga, she got choir practice. And she got church and she called the husband and tell the husband say she going to come late because it probably start late. So the husband, no, Raga, go to the church now to go meet her. When he go to Raga, you see nothing like wife. So he said, because he had the key and cut it through the shortcut. When he said, we're not coming in through the shortcut, Raga, he looked down the road and he said, my woman and my man. So he said, join that corner, Raga, and I walk in the bank.
Yeah.
And when he go down now, he see the woman. He see my wife, but he knows I'm best friend. So he take out his phone, he call the friend, he tell the friend, saying, see wife and my man. The man answer the phone, Raga.
Oh, Jesus. Well, so when him see him wife, him never know say I'm best friend of that dog and wife.
No, Raga.
So I call him best friend now for say, yo, come help me with that situation. Come see my wife down there, say, we don't have man. And when he call him phone, he look and see man answer his phone.
Answer his phone because them back and turn to him, you understand?
The back they turn. So wait, them did in the bush do the things, them?
At the roadside, Raga, the man did
well, I mean, the roadside, them do the things, them?
Yes, Raga, the man did read the meter, so then everybody coming more.
No, hold on. Because people don't know Seki a queen a code, you know. When you say Seki, the best friend did read him wife meter?
Yes, Raga. The bill most high, Raga.
What that?
The bill most high.
The bill? Well, hey, I want to pick up what Seki is saying, you know. The man best friend, who was out with the man wife, Seki said the man see him best friend a read him wife meter, which means that the bill must high when him come.
Yeah, when the bill come,
when the bill come, it must. I go and die. Okay. So him see so him realize now so him best friend are reading wife meet and then what happened after that?
So the best friend run go my yard Raga. And the best friend run go home. I'm not funny to do because he married in a Raga. And when the wife what me do and go in and say he want listen tomorrow morning, he want God to blind him.
Him no want what? Him no want live visit tomorrow morning, him want God for blind him.
Yes, Raga.
This are the best friend. This are the best friend I said that to Fim own a wife now.
Yes, Raga.
Because he realize a Fim best friend catch him a sort out in wife.
Yes, Raga.
So him say him no want live visit tomorrow, him want God for blind him.
Yes, Raga.
Because the guilty conscience a clot him up, you know.
Yes, Raga.
And then what happened after that, no?
1 year got work, no, Raga. And the man on the side said Fim. I went in got
where? Who you talk about now?
The best friend.
The best friend,
And go sleep and go just sleep after not eating lunch.
Yeah.
And then the man on the side plan Fim and put up a duct tape on his face. And cover his eye. And he get back Raga, he start blind. And Raga, he saying, beg God, pardon, beg God. And he saying, contest Raga.
So you never feel it tape?
You don't know Raga, time to break up your sleep, Raga, I didn't know. After that, he knows like it. Because we dare telling one, God blind him, so they cover his eye with duct tape.
So what did happen now between the husband and the wife now? When
Raga, they still live, Raga. Mr. Raga, if you see the poor man right now, if you walk, you have to walk here in their pocket. Because of course, one man has 10 fingers, Whitlaw.
Have 10 fingers what?
Whitlaw, Raga.
Whitlaw?
You know, Whitlaw, Raga, you're bad anytime woman have bad finger when you soak in the water.
No, me no know that.
Some bad fingernail.
Some bad fingernail, eh?
Yes, Raga, like it's when you soak in a dirty water. Raga, if the man go work for the week and comb every piece of clothes put on, Raga, when that they wash, you have to wash every piece of clothes you know man wear.
Why? Why?
You man do not Raga. The man, I want to easy going man, Raga.
Oh, okay. He must come on back.
Come wash, Raga.
So she sit on the yard every day and now do nothing then?
Not that time, Raga, man at the house. And when you're ready in the top and go church. And treat the man like that. If the man work, Raga, you have to put on gloves like my doctor.
But Seki, don't you hear me talk it all the while, say, no care how good looking a man is, no care how much money him have, no care how hot him body is, no care how hot him career is, no care how good. If the woman cannot respect that man, everything else mean nothing. Right. No woman can deal with that man and hold it. If them not respect him, if them stay with that man they're gonna get clown out and go and get bun under in structure, then go and treat him like fool and whatever this and that. She not respect the man because he not carry himself in a way for she respect him.
You see, Raga, he might too soft, Raga. Because me Raga, me no want no soft one. Me want man, Raga, me box that box, me back, you see?
Seki, hey, yes, Seki, that's why them not gonna like our show because we keep it real. Seki, what you say you don't want no soft man, you want a man. If you
want boxing, the Raga come me give bone now and then me will give bone and come back and go see so now. Man, sorry for you, Raga. If me go give bone and come back and see so now, like what the poor thing. Man, sorry for him, not true.
You go sorry for him.
Yes, Raga. Me like it and me come back, Raga. Raga, if I go give bone, Raga, me let something else as evidence, you know. Me I put water in our cup and put it in the bed.
You put water in our cup and put it under the bed. Why?
Yes, Raga, it's quite Raga. I mean, look at it and see cup with the water, see we are. I be a war for the whole night, you know.
What? I don't understand. What you mean? What you mean?
Raga, me left the water under the bed and the cup. Come, me take my husband and go take up because I when make the cup and see around, me stop put my nose, the cup and mind and the water and put and then use the cup and put it in the bed. And I'm do it, Raga. But
Seki, me not understand. Why would you go? Why when you did a give bond them time that you leave evidence say you go give bond?
Raga, me want come back. When me come back, Raga, me want me come in back, Raga. So me want come in to see Kosovo. Me left to keep it naked in. And in fucking see Raga, me Kosovo right card. In can't touch the figures and that. In can't touch Raga. In can't touch me. Not come out. You put up a melody down. You see. So me belly well full. So when me don't post Raga, me go sleep. You understand me?
Oh, me just understand what you say. No, so basically you use that as a cover for your burning.
Yes, Raga, something for me start for the cup.
So now, well, I'm going to get it clear. What you are saying is that when you use sticky bun, you always make sure there's something left in the house to start a war when you come back.
Yes, Raga.
So that when you come back, you just start the war right away, and the focus is on the war.
Right.
And the focus can be where you come from and how you take so long. So the focus can be on the cup of water and the dirty plate. Yo, Seki. What? What you say?
Me can't touch me. Me well can't feel sweet, so you can't touch me. Yeah, right with the whole week.
Oh, because you go get a good bun. Because if you go get bun, you get bun with somebody who can deal with the thing nice.
My appetite to see some.
You know what? What you say? You know what? It spoil your appetite.
No,
So when you come back in, that have to just fix him busy so that you can go on your bed peacefully and him not bother you, don't?
Right, Raga. So if the man is soft, no, Raga, me come from the man. Me have to feel sorry for him. That's why I say me no want a soft man, because me have a soft man, me can't burn him. Because me sorry for him. You see it?
No. What you say, if you have a soft man, you can't burn him? Because you have sorry for him?
Me like sorry for him, Raga, because I feel so, no, me like support him, you know. But you say you go in my dad, Raga, that me want to burn, you see it?
So when the man them go like them a dodge and go like say them a real tapper them man that you love for bun.
You mean right? They want to bun that this is serve. They tell you that talk answer. It's a serve right, brother. You see, it's a serve right.
But Seki, it sound to me like what you're saying because people are gonna listen to you and I say, but it don't make sense. Now the soft man you don't want because you can't give him bun easy. But what you are saying is it's more fun a bun a man who thinks say my dad and him thinks say my all of that. It's more fun for outsmart and beat the man that you enjoy the bun better that you said, oh.
Yes, Raga, but you can't enjoy when the police man soft. You understand me?
Because when the man soft, it's like something easy for do and nothing, no excitement, no there. Seki is almost like I say, you don't even have no need for hide.
That's it, Raga. Right. All right. After that, no, Raga.
Yeah.
She about one other woman now.
Yeah.
I don't hear.
Yeah.
She work on 4 cub, Raga.
She what?
Work on 4 cub.
She work on 4 cub. Full farm.
Yes. And Raga, then it took up the egg at the time.
Yeah.
And the egg them crack, you manage with any amount. That's at the bar. You understand me?
If the egg them crack?
Yes, Raga, and give them.
Okay.
If they can't sell, all right. And the woman Raga, they go work every morning now. Wear one tight and pop, pin our bag and put nice tight Raga and teach the man egg. Why even the come for work, the egg you put tight so much up in front of one woman, one dog rush her. And she they run now. And the egg you put tight Raga on top of dirt.
Well on, but the tight under something then.
The wear tight underneath his clothes, Raga.
Okay, but she wear the tights to all the egg them then, right?
Yes,
okay. So one time she left and dog a rush her and thing and the rush the egg then got broke up on her in her tight.
The egg then just out, Raga, and broke up on the road.
So the egg then basically a drop out from under.
Yes, Raga, so I say egg share. The most egg share of it.
What you say? The way when the egg them a drop out, you don't think she have an egg tree on there, no?
I said she didn't put the egg them good so they drop out. And broke up. So the man fit dog no see them Raga and tell us for the man. So she lose her work now, Raga. Yes, that might tell you, Raga.
Okay. So the dog, them what did that rush out? The man who own the dog, they see the egg, the man then go tell the owner for the fall farmer she work, and that's how she lose her work.
Yes, Raga.
Because she never set the egg there right, and the egg then drop out from under.
Raga, so they drop out of the chair.
Papa Jesus, but Seki not easy with them, I mix up here. Hey, but Seki, you know, so me still not recuperate fan. That reason the way you give a while ago, you know, me just want, it's a deep thing you say, you know. You say, when a man go like him a dodge and go like him a tap and go like him a the real thing and go like bun can't reach him. Basically, I say, a dem man that you love figgy bun.
I love figgy bun, Raga, because Raga, me don't say me a man, Raga, rough man, me love. Me say me back to back, you see? That kick on that back, you see?
Wait, if you kick down, you don't want to say, man, if you kick down that thing, if you kick it down back.
Yes, Raga, you know, Raga, one man right now love me for 19 years. And you love me all now. And because I talk, you deal with him.
And because himself, you not deal with him.
No, Raga, that man is come with the Raga up to the world, yeah, the lesson for me, and not to me.
But Seki, some people are listening, I don't know if they might misunderstand you. When you say you don't want a soft man, at the same time, you don't want a man will feel like saying, if you just beat you up and all of them or something. None of that you say.
No, Raga, no. I mean, I get a Raga. I mean, like, let me have my man, no Raga. And if anything, I need me looking back to see it. Me no want, I beat him. Me not anything that beat no.
You can't there with no man where you can beat and angle and do as you like and all them something.
Oh, Raga.
But Seki, explain. Though sometime in order to know what the man capable of and how much of a man him is or how soft him is. Though sometimes you as a woman just do things for up stirring brain and for just like stir up him head for just see how him gonna respond, don't it?
Raga, you know, you believe me?
Eh?
Yeah, let me tell you something.
Tell me.
One man me never live with it, Raga, my husband.
One man you never what?
Live with. Never go, like, moving and live with. I'm my husband. I'm my husband, Raga.
So wait, you did have a husband?
Raga, me not live with no more.
Oh, one man you ever live with, yeah. Okay, and are your husband?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, and why your husband? Why your husband?
Raga, fan that, this is that man, Raga, me not live with no more. Me not say me not Raga, me not, me don't want to tell cold morning, you understand?
Yeah.
But me not garden yard. Me prefer no say me outside do Raga. If I me can run, you see.
Yeah, okay. You want that independence there. You want that independence there.
Yeah, me not doing that man, me not garden yard. You understand me?
But your husband couldn't manage you either.
Manage Raga. You don't know where to manage me.
Okay.
Right.
Cause when him did that burn you burn him back, don't it?
Right, yeah, that's what so me not really experience not we not like we not man, so me not bother that Raga.
But so Seki, you ever meet a man yet where you say, boy, this a man you a soft man and he's sexy and you love after man and rate? You ever meet them type of man there?
Me no work on for man and wait on Raga.
Eh?
Me no work on for man and wait because you can meet in the Raga. Me see the way they think to me. I'll fight them, so me no bother look for man and wait. And
for people who don't know, I said Seki a tie up man and them. So, if him want what?
If you want sexy Raga, me no look for no man and wait Raga.
What if him want what?
Sexy, I'm not my business. Me no look for a man with the Raga. Me no look for
if the man wants sexy, if him what?
Want sexy, me no look for a man with the Raga like look for a man and see. You understand me sexy and everything. Me no bother anything there.
Oh, that's on your speed.
Right.
That's on your speed.
Let me see, I'm in love. Me move free. You understand me? But I'm not saying me want to be lived.
Right.
You know, you understand me, Raga?
But you make it plain though that in general a woman don't want no soft workless man.
No, I go to do a Raga.
And your way of emphasizing that point is that if you back the man must back you back.
Yes, Raga.
Because you see when woman explain it further, them are gonna say, but if himself and full one, him not can defend me, him not can defend the pitney them, or him not can stand up strong to other woman who are gonna want to take away money and cheat him like idiot. You know them come here there and them start explaining it further and further. No sir.
Me say what woman done here about man Raga, and sometimes the woman a keep on in the man, see the man cry like baby Raga.
The man see he keep on him woman neck and just start ball like baby.
Stop cry Raga.
So that's a real idiot man that then you say, right? Well on, what you say would that be too? What?
If you have a man like that Raga, and if he keep on my neck and that cry, me beat Raga, I'm an idiot.
A real fool. So you'd come home with the icky, cause the next man get the icky them, and then when you see say you're a good man who you're there with start ball, you'd just beat him right there, so.
Of course, that's an idiot, and I tell him to cup by him and he believe.
And you tell him say what?
She says a cup by him, Raga, by her.
What cup? Well on. Where you call cup? What?
Red Ants. Cup, me call it.
Red Ants. So she tell him, say Red Ants by town, call Red Ants cup up a Brownstone Center.
And the man believe, Raga.
And him believe. They don't believe.
Is an idiot.
But they go show them the Red Ants they put on the icky pan and icky.
Oh God, Raga.
Second back come here, sample me, I tell you, man, I say a word here.
All right, Raga.
Love you, Seki. Love you, Seki. Second back come here right there, man. Seki a sample, you know. Okay. A Seki husband, hey, Jermaine. Seki back have a long time call of them, you know. Right? Seki give her a jam one time, her husband a bun her, you know. Seki no while him, you know. And Seki just start take her husband boss. And tell the boss when to give her husband the offer. So that the bunny can go on. A man sitting, you know. I don't even know, say, as far as him work, go, she control it. You think Seki is the Seki a sample, yo. Okay, box our next caller for me. Yo. Hello.
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 And how are you? Oh, shouldn't I ask? I can hear you.
Is this Miss 69?
No, who else could be talking to you like that?
Oh, what did you just say?
Who else could be talking to you like that?
Miss 69!
Oi!
What's up?
I found you at last.
Oh, you found me, Miss 69. Are you still over there in Montego Bay?
Of course I am.
Okay.
I'm listening to you.
Okay.
And by the way, let me tell you, anywhere you go, I'm right behind you.
All right, thank you, Miss 69. That's awfully sweet of you. Okay.
Yes, and I really wanted to tell you that so long ago.
Okay, then. Well.
You sound just like usual.
Oh, thank you, Miss 69. That's very sweet of you.
And because I met a few radio fans in Montego Bay, they recognize me and they say, where is he? When is he going to be coming out? I say, I heard that it's nationwide night. And I said, girls, listen out. It's going to be just as usual.
Wonderful, wonderful, Miss 69. Good to hear your voice and things. So,
I saw your picture in the papers last week.
Oh, last week?
In the Star.
Oh, last week in the Star. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You're looking good, Raga. You still look good, man.
Oh, thank you, Miss 69. Thank you. Appreciate
keep that body going.
But Miss 69, you got your name when you were 69, but how old are you now? I keep forgetting.
73.
You're 73 years old right now, so it's been 4 years because you got your name in the first year that we met on radio and things. So
when you see me, it's just a number.
It's just a number, and you're just reminding people 73 is just a number because
it's just a number because she doesn't look it.
Oh, you don't look 73.
I look just as sexy and young as I usually do, man. Come on.
Okay, but what age would you say you look now, Miss 16? I mean, you're 73, but what age would you say you look?
Well, I've heard all kind of things. Even some guys calling me Miss 16.
Miss 16, okay.
Yeah, sometimes look like 21. Some I just look like about 35.
No, but what if they're just being kind and nice?
Yes, and
I'm asking you straight up. What if if you really look your age, but they're just being flirtatious and provocative with you?
Well, to be honest, I'm not trying to big up myself, but when I look at my reflection, I don't look anything like 73.
Like 73?
Yeah, I look look like something in my late 40s.
Okay, so when you say look at you mean that there are times when you stand up and look at yourself in the mirror and then you just kind of make an assessment and say how you look, right?
You know, first thing in the morning when I have a look and I said,
did you do this like before you shower or something, or like after you shower or as you wake up?
Well, like sometimes I was passing the mirror in the corridor and I just turn and I look and I step back and look. And I say,
okay, so you'll be like walking past because people think it's only young girls in high school do this, So we want people to know that at 73-year-old, you can just be walking past your dresser and then you look at yourself and you're like, damn, I look good. Is that what you do?
Yes, or even because I've got mirrors along my corridors in my house on both sides, and I'm passing, I just turn and look. It's not that I'm probably looking at how I look, but I'm just looking to see if the mirror wants dusting and look. And I still look at myself and I say,
No, but Miss 69, it sounds to me that there are times when you're passing the mirror, and then on occasion you might just see yourself and that you're immediately impressed with what you're seeing, and you just have to remind. Oh, I see. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I just say, right, carry on the way I'm doing.
So when you're looking at yourself in the mirror now and you feel so good and you feel so sexy and what are some of the things you think about, What are some of the things that make you happy when you look at yourself? You're 73, but you're looking at yourself in the mirror, and as far as you're concerned, you look like you're in your hot 40s. And what are some of the things that come to your mind when you look by yourself? This and Miss 69.
The first thing I do, I said, well, Lord, thank you. Whatever I'm doing, I'm going to keep doing it. I'm a clean heart. I don't hurt people. And I'm going to carry on. I don't eat anything, anytime. I take care of my body. I take care of myself.
Right.
And my mind is focused not on dirty things, on clean things. And I have fun. I laugh a lot. And I just carry on.
Wonderful. You just carry on.
This is why I say age is just a number. I do not think about my age. I carry on. I can do everything, anything. The age does not come in.
No, well, Miss 69, I mean, everything or anything, don't you think that you have to, everything or anything, Miss 69, there's some things that at 73 you probably have to stop doing. No?
Like what?
Well,
whisper.
No,
whisper me one.
No, I'm just saying that there are some things that we are capable of. Let's just say physical. Let's be honest, Miss 69. I mean, you take care of yourself and so forth, and you're proud of that. But what I'm saying is that at 73, your muscles and your bones, they don't necessarily work as well as they did when you were, shall we say, in your 20s. Is that just a reality that we have to acknowledge?
I don't know, because I when I don't have a help, I work.
Right.
Work at my home, work outside, inside, although I've got help to do outside. And I just do anything, just carry on.
Okay. Hello? Oh, I tell you what, we lost Miss 69 there. Perhaps we could, after the break, we could try and get her back or something like that, I think another interesting conversation right there. Again, it's one of Miss 69 it has always been the case with her that, like she says, age is nothing but a number, and as she is saying, at 73, she's still positive, and she still can roll out and do the things them and enjoy life to the fullest, get up 6:30 a morning, clean her house, and she says she a woman when she all walk past her mirror more time, she goes bam, and see herself and say, still have it. And as far as she is concerned, she look like she in her 40s and so forth, and that is where she is concerned and so forth. Certainly an inspiration to other people who are in similar age group. But what I wanted to ask is Miss 69, and it is still coming up, one thing, the people, there are some older people in Miss 69 age group who still maintain that she need to stop dating those younger men and so forth. Yes, them bring it up, them keep bringing it up, and that them don't like, that she don't behave her age, them saying. And that no woman at 70 should be dating 30-year-old man, and them say, Miss 69, she don't care. And we didn't want to talk to her about that part there and thing, but we're going to break. Yo, give me a call. Hello.
Yeah, morning.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what going on?
There,
Yeah, me say wife and mate for link up,
You say wife and mate for link up?
Yeah.
All right.
Me and Ingrid live good.
How old is Karen?
Yeah.
But Karen, or you gonna say wife and mate if you link up and yeah, Ingrid live good, and one time you was the wife and Ingrid lick you out of business?
Yes, she lick me out for real. I'm not deny that. She lick me out.
Okay, we're not going there. We're going to leave that one alone. Karen Wildman Lee, what's up? What's up?
I'm long man. Oh gosh.
What?
But I'm here to mix up and a wife to mix up,
No, but me know you wait long for things already, so nobody go and like say you never wait for nothing.
Yeah, but I wait now too. But not on you.
You're not.
Next room, but when we don't talk to him, I deal with him.
Oh yeah, somebody I wait for you too.
Yeah, I put him in one room.
You just put him in our room, so which might you cannot talk.
People man as usual.
So you take people man and him in our room and wait for you. What you mean as usual? So you always take people man.
Yeah.
Me notice say you know hide for post that on the wall and you keep it real. So you always take people man. What you say because it's safe?
Yeah.
How the backside it for safe when you take people man? Me not understand that. Explain that.
My heart safe.
Your heart?
Don't worry about it, yeah.
Okay, so
make she worry. Because she come in at night and she say, oh, you did there? Me not say them something there.
Because you don't know it's your people property already.
Yeah.
So you're not a heartache for this and that. So people are going to listen to you now and go say, boy, you're a coward. Because you probably go through look a break up and thing and then afraid for commit.
We've been there and done that. We can't say so,
Oh, Zane? All right then.
Yeah.
All right, then do your thing.
But me really can't tell you, say, so you have someone out there with a 10 life on the something, yeah?
Oh, so.
Them I say them get it and them don't get it.
But
and them all like emphasize on all the size and them something there. Them for stop it.
Them man they for stop it.
Yeah, because what day, my dad work and a driver say, ooh, him get a virgin. And we have to deal with him, him crab up and thing, you know.
All right, remember say it upon the people in Boise Radio, you know. Oh.
Yeah, and I like him at show him friend upon the corner. So I say, oh, your skin face, so I'm on them crab. And I say, you know, say, Ray, and I show them the vibes.
Oh, so we him crab upon things, so I tell him,
yeah,
so
they ask him, and I say, boy, that little virgin, and she deal with me, so, you know.
Oh, so when him did that deal with it, him says, you know, she crab him up one time.
Yes.
Okay, see?
You know, so one of the next man out of the crew, like him come shortly with some crabs to and a hype about it. And when them investigate, I'm not kind of money than crab of himself.
Tambourine! So yeah, man, a crab about themselves when Macana come and talk about a virgin do it, eh?
Yeah, I tell you, one wicked enough for them to laugh.
Nah, man, a long time years, and look, man, I do that, I tell life on something.
Extreme.
I tell life on something. Can you imagine you can crab up yourself with Macana and come and tell people about a virgin crab up and thing. But if you really think, but it's not really a lie, you know, because the Macana virgin.
I can't deal with you right now, you know. Anyway, I first going to call you for your comeback from here. I'm going to bless you. You understand?
No say a word, man. Everything, G.
Sandy, Solid as usual, and Ingrid and Dennis.
Yeah.
Jennifer. Big up Mel Finger. My name is Big Up Mel.
Don't explain that, you know, because we don't want nobody. Don't explain. We just a big up Mel Finger them, Mel Boo Finger them, we a big up our finger them. Don't explain nothing. And for people who don't know, this is Karen Wildman Lee, and she's from what we refer to as the AC wall. That's a Ragashanti AC wall, and that wall is Mixup Raga. Mixup Raga. You mean what's the difference? Jermaine wants to know the difference. Okay, when you join Facebook, you get like a wall, right? And that wall you're limited to 5,000 people. However, if you're in entertainment, you have the option of having a fan wall that is different, and that wall is unlimited. However, the structure of the fan wall is it has some differences in comparison to the AC wall, but the fan wall is unlimited. My fan wall has somewhere near 67,000 people on it, but the AC wall you're limited to only your original wall you're limited to only 5,000 people on it. So they just come up with this thing for people who are in entertainment who have huge fan base and so forth and things. So Jermaine, what happened though is that there is a constant banter between the fan wall people and the AC wall people, and then now what happens is that you give some people on the fan wall, like, you know, friend request so that they can come over to the AC wall, and them call it like the jump fence visa, and who have visa can come over and all them drama there and something. So Karen now is a regular resident of the AC wall. Blessings and respect, Karen, because you don't know some real things like that.
Yeah, I'm not the Marsha here, coming on about the Cosby and Tantan and Keds, yeah.
Yeah, man, big up Ridgeline and thing, man. Everything is everything, the large job. Man, I big up Keds, but we big up our green boot. Auntie, we big up the green boot. Auntie, yeah.
I the girl sit down and turn and listen to the headphone pregnant with the pinches and for bigger up.
The girl, what?
Pregnant sit down and turn and listen with the earphone.
Pregnant sit down and turn, okay.
From Fletcher's Land, some for bigger up.
From Fletcher's Land, all right, larger. Well, me think I the Jennifer good as, but you say pregnant, so I can't good as. All right, then.
Can't breed.
What? Huh?
Jennifer can't breed.
No, but that's I say she not breed.
Okay, all right then.
Okay.
Want it done, you?
She will done me, you know what? I feel more light. All right, Karen, sorry.
Cool.
Yeah, my protection. Bye. Blessing, man. Here we go to the phone lines again. Boom, bang, Sinting. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings. There, I know what go down.
There.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, man, alright, man. You alright?
Who washed the pants the few we wear last week, Monday?
Who washed the pants?
Yeah. We wear them at the lunch. Who wash it?
Oh, and white pants?
That part white rag, it's whiter.
Okay, yeah, man. My white them cleaner than who else out there always I wear white.
I know you wash it.
Oh, me? No, I know me wash it.
Hey, Raga, the shirt we're sweating, I beg it, no?
The shirt I'm sweating, you want my shirt?
The baby blue shirt.
Okay, well, I always want my clothes. And if I go to all on my clothes, I want me wear.
I mean, you want it.
You want it. Then the other people don't want clothes to them. I go give all of my clothes and want me wear.
Raga. I have a mix up to tell you.
Talk to me, but talk up loud.
The woman.
Yeah.
We live with the man. For how long?
Yeah.
The man mother get sick and the on bed. She bedridden. And the woman clean her, Raga. Me say clean everything.
For the mother?
Yeah. And the mother dead. The man no married yesterday. And he no married to the woman we live with.
And he married yesterday. So we married?
One woman when they there with long time we come from foreign.
So what really are going on there? So what she just come from foreign? Is a visa marriage?
It's like them did a correspond long time. The woman I had never know.
And the woman I had, I'm straight up woman.
Straight up, I've picked the female, everything, live with him.
How much picked the Shafi?
One little boy.
One little boy. And she take care of her mother and hold it strong for him.
Yes. And the man married upon her yesterday. And when we asked the man, oh, you have to do that, him and her discuss it.
Discuss it? So what discuss me? Why must say? Why she agree with it?
Yeah.
You sure she agree with it?
So him say, Raga.
Okay. But sometimes a man who there with woman and out here and thing, and then them comes to an agreement, say, yo, go marry that woman, they're foreign, forget the papers and something then.
Raga. Guess what?
What?
When you big me up and me big up myself. I'm there with people in husband.
You there with the people in husband?
Yeah.
How long are you there with the people in husband?
Couple months, you know.
And why you there with the people in husband? What sweet? What about him sweet, sir?
What about him sweet, sir?
Yeah.
The start out.
Is that the reason why you're there with somebody else's husband?
No, Raga, him feel good, him handsome, him.
Talk up loud, I can't hear. Him handsome?
Yeah.
And what else?
Him just nice, him full of humor, Raga, and just make people laugh and sing.
Okay, so you're attracted to him based on him looks and how his sense of humor, you consider that, you apparently consider that sexy and so forth and thing. And to top it off, now him have a good start out.
Raga.
Yeah?
Him trying to bring me in the church. He's a pastor.
Hold on. You there with somebody husband, right?
Yeah.
Who you say have a nice sense of humor, right? Yeah. And good looking, right? And you say him start out shot to shell down.
Yeah.
See? And you say the person I try bringing in at the church. Because he's a pastor.
Yes. So, the pastor of the church where I go.
The pastor for the church where you go, him you take.
Every Sunday I go to church, I got him wife come heal me. Oh, go, I sister.
So, Allah you tell her.
Raga. Last week Saturday, see?
Yeah.
Me and my friend got here go watch Machete.
Yeah.
And we never go to church Sunday. And the pastor wife called my friend and said, what happened to you and your friend? Why weren't you at church today? She said, because we went to movies last night. At 8 o'clock movie, we go Raga and reach home back after 11.
Yeah.
That's why we never get to come to church. And you know what the message she give the friend to give me?
What?
She sent my love. She sent her love to me. Tell sister so and so I send my love.
Okay, so she don't know say she don't know say you take her husband, the pastor.
No, Raga.
So how you feel about that? You know the people in church and the pastor now who is supposed to be top in terms of integrity and discipline in the Lord. You and him a man and do the things and the man have him wife and the wife I talk up to you and I hug you on Sunday daytime and you there lie down with the woman husband and I take the woman husband and I do the things and with the woman husband. You probably all get somebody offering money too.
Raga. Raga. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
One Sunday come to church, come preach.
What?
One Sunday.
Yeah.
He preach a sermon at church and every time he invite me laugh.
What kind of sermon?
He say some wives not take care of them husband. And some wives not fix up themselves. And some wives don't look good. And some wives, when them in a bed, them not do the things with their husband, not because they are Christian, if you make your husband comfortable. And him say, when some of the husband them strain on the wife, them start to cry because the girl them look better than the wife and them take care of themselves more than the wife. And then we are some because sexy negligee. Raga, a word him a show in a church. And when him come out, when church done, I will come out and I text him, Raga, I'm nearly dead because I tell him, so I know, say I'm me, my chat.
Oh, in terms of like, can you do the things and fame?
Yeah.
Okay, so you look good fame.
Raga, me a half Indian.
What that mean? Why not?
I'm half Indian, I'm mixed breed.
So what, that gives something extra then? Yeah, okay, so that gives something extra then, yes, right? So wait, so now, what me I say? Yeah. Don't the wife older than you?
Yeah.
Alright then. So if a man married to a woman, right? And then, you know, she get older, so look at differences I go show. And then him go take a look at younger girl. Why not always I use the excuse I want for done the wife, them say, them not do what them for do and think. Understand what I say? Why not always I use the excuse and I beat up the wife, them? What?
Why to cook at them yard, give them husband to eat?
She no cook at the yard,
Raga, the man with the on the road, all of the day, or even there at the church, because you know, pastor always there at church assign this and assign that. And when him go home, and me, I have to carry food, go give him. Meet him on road, make him eat.
So, let me ask.
Come on.
Let me ask you something now. You don't think if you tell this man, say, yo, tell your wife, say, one of the things you'd like her to do that she'd appreciate very much is if when him dip on the road and coming at night time, she can make sure there's something there for me.
So, you know, somebody have to tell her that?
No, you know, all right, say if somebody have to tell her that, you don't believe if him tell her that she will start do it.
So somebody have to tell her that?
May I ask you a question?
If you live with that woman?
When I get in that,
you
know. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. We are talking about this. Come talk up, man.
Look here. All right. So for instance, you live with that woman. You have to tell your woman to make sure so you get something to eat when you come home?
No, I'm just saying that everybody, you know, sometimes you get used to people and whatever, and you jump off with certain things, and you have to remind people about certain things and whatever. I don't think that's as big as I don't know.
Reggae, you know who we are talking to? Gumpangum.
Gumpangum?
Yeah.
Who that?
Gumpangum, you remember Gumpangum? We take out him teeth.
Oh, okay. Are you the man take out his teeth and left his teeth in the bathroom and then come back come swipe you?
Yeah.
Okay. But that wasn't a big man too.
You were a politician. I want you.
Oh yes, he was a big politician. Yeah. We are going to sort you out and then say him go in the bathroom look a bit. And when he go in the bathroom, he left his tea in one glass. In teeth.
But me never know, you know. And when him come back in the room, you know. Do what him do and done now and everything done and me get up and go bathe now and go in the bathroom. I used to the false teeth in there in a cup of water. I never know when going to the bathroom.
And he's a big politician where everybody know.
Yes, Raga.
You know, see a whole heap of people are going to look from politician mouth now and I say which one of them are very far. Well, I stay on the phone, I will break with some Check. Yeah, man, back up in our mix-up and take. Let me ask you something. That pastor here, he mind you?
Oh, we ask the Raga.
May I ask you, he mind you?
Yeah.
So imagine them people that show them offering in our church.
Raga, no church offering in my youth.
Well, man, the people, they're not much church offering. Where's money? It's church. You're going like you take people video.
Raga, I'm wife a teacher.
Don't say anything more, yeah? Just tell with the parish.
St. Catherine.
All right, then, cool.
Raga. Big up Buju we get bail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now say a word. Yeah. No, what me I say? Is church offering pay pastor, you know?
Raga, you know, so you're a real mix-up.
No, me just a reminder, say it's church offering pay pastor.
So you're a real mix-up.
Hold on, you tell me, say me a real mix-up, and you attend church and I take the pastor, having wife, and you tell me, say me a mix-up. Raga. My girl, all part of you mix-up.
Raga,
True? What?
So I'm skitty drop and you're in a bathroom and broke it.
No, I'm skitty. I'm skitty never sort out yet.
You're not going to say so?
No.
You're not going to say so, Raga?
No, if me and somebody sort out, I'm not going to tell you. That's true, I'm not going to tell you.
Then after me no want to know.
No, but I tell you, say I'm skitty never sort out. Why would I talk about me skitty? You know, see that Clovis cartoon that when I run with two Clovis that cartoon, me skitty, I sit down for me and I climb up on it. So that thing. Anyway, what me ancestors tell you, you're too damn wicked. Have the woman that hug you up every day and I tell you about welcome sister so and so when you take her man right in our church. You're not afraid God backs you with a lightning.
Raga, me are the first one to do with pastor. You see this?
No, I never say you're the first one. I say, uno goodie, the woman there, I hug you up and I comfort you and I give you spiritual love and all them something and you there, dash it out to give her husband, the pastor and all them thing there. You see? Anyway, when I judge you doing, you know, you must know what you're doing, where you get out of it and things. So, a good money in mind, you with?
Well, I'm cool, man.
No, man, a good money in mind, you with?
Yeah.
Like what?
I'm going to tell you.
Tens of thousands.
I won't tell you.
I
won't tell you.
You're not tell you. All right, but on a different level doing. And the start out, they good?
Of course.
And one last question. You do the things, No, me just ask because I know a whole heap of people want to know if the pastor do the things. So when I talk about straight start out, you know me I ask you, like the pastor do the things.
Raga.
I remember just ask you straight up and down. The pastor have a look at freaky side to him, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do the things that make you feel nice, no?
Yeah.
And of course, you do the things then back to him.
Raga, I want to you.
Eh?
I want you. I want to you.
Okay, all right then.
Raga.
Eh?
Raga.
Eh?
You see this ear kaya? We don't need to do nothing to nobody.
Okay, it's just good, so no?
It's ear kaya.
Okay.
Raga, you no plant yam.
Oh, me?
Mm. You want a piece of land to plow?
Oh.
You.
Oh, you're. Oh, you want me to turn a farm up on your land?
Yeah.
Okay, big up somebody from Nationwide who just walk in and I snap them finger because they love the mix-up. We just say somebody. All right. Now worry yourself here, babes.
Brother, you not answer me.
With what that?
You know want plant piece of yam.
If want plant my yam on your ground?
I know your yam. Yam.
Yam?
Yeah, on the acre.
On your acre?
Yeah.
Okay, so why? Give me some reason why that would be a good idea, no?
I got off the ear.
No, me say, no, since you ask up question upon the ear, you can't code up the thing. Me say, yo, give me some reason why that would be a good idea.
Raga, you know fertile soil where worm now run up and down, you know.
Where you say a worm now run up and down? No, but them say when worm run up and down that ground, you mean a good ground?
No.
Eh?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right, now say a word here. So straight up, a green light you give me, don't?
What?
Yeah, give me green light,
now
don't?
come look for you know which part you're there again.
Eh?
Anywhere you're there again, I'm going to come there.
Yeah.
I'm going to make you know that I'm there.
Oh, Zane?
Yeah, me not just look for you, admire and look for your sweater running off of your body and getting mad and then sitting there.
That you been doing?
You see, me not watch you with pampute and the people them stage downtown.
Oh, so you did down at the lounge?
Yes, me did down there.
You look good?
I want to see you, Raga.
Okay.
Raga, you ever see a half Indian with ugly yet? Tell me.
Yeah.
Which one?
They're out there. They have challenges. All right, let's say a word. We're going to some other call here.
Yeah.
All right, protection. Okay, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Mr. Stewart.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
I want to ask one question, sir. How make that decision, sir, to put the banner station here?
The management.
Boy, I best decision ever make at Jamaica, you know.
The best decision ever make at Jamaica?
Yeah.
To put me on this station?
Yeah.
Why you say that, Bob? Why you say that?
Tuesday.
Eh?
Tuesday gone.
Tuesday, yeah.
Yeah, me I listen to you.
Yeah.
I chuck my jive, so I park the truck on the one body all around.
Yeah.
And if people then say, when me get that CD, then, sir. They say, we CD. They say, one I play in the truck. Say, no CD. Raga no the band Nationwide. They say, Raga the back fire radio. Yes, man. And Van Tuesday, to know about 40 people, me tell.
Now say a word, man. What's a yeah.
You see station, you know?
Yeah.
They know one them gone down.
Yeah, what?
They know one them gone down.
The other station them gone down.
Everybody gone there, so now.
All right. Now say a word, man. We give thanks. Yeah.
You watch TV this morning? EVM?
I never watch it. I want to go down.
They nearly kill my man there.
Who?
The two hosts, man, in CVM this morning.
Yeah.
They nearly kill my man there. Plot of a 7-star.
Oh, L.A. Louis?
Lord God, then give it to him and 2 women go call.
And what go down? Tell me what go down.
2 women them put the thing to him and tell him say, my liar.
Okay.
Meet queen and this and that and that.
Oh, see it?
I then put it to him, man.
You see it.
And he must say, I mean him and goofy. Tell people to call.
No, that him do all the while. That him do.
He even know himself, man.
You're looking. No, man. No, but you see, I saw him set up himself and I saw him get him interviewed them and all them thing there, you know.
Me don't want to so.
Yeah, man. I saw him do film thing, you know. So me just ignore him right here now. And you see, already when him try to draw out me and Miss Kitty and whatever, me just say, Kitty, allow him. Leave him alone. A film thing that, you understand? We just allow him, you see it?
Yeah, man, I respect her, yes, sir.
I just man as I respect, and what's your protection when you're on the road and drive a truck, you don't know.
To Scott Pass, you know.
All right, Papa.
I big up all truck, man.
Yeah, I saw it still. Right, yeah, man, protection and strength, Papa. Cool.
All right, Raga.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. May I ask it, Chris Cross, talking got you. A while ago when the man said, who make the decision for put you on that chair? You didn't think I done him, never done me?
Yeah, it's going for someone.
It is so like... How does work? That's why sometimes if it does make the thing play out, you know. Some of those wants a blessings to the brother. Big up our Chuck man for real. Big up Chucky, Marie, Linky, Chuck in a warrior self. Yeah. All right, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello. Okay, here we go. Bunks another call. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, greetings.
Greetings, brother.
Boomba. Eh?
Top of the evening.
Top of the evening.
You have a mix-up for you.
Rinse.
This man married and having wife, but every time he go work, I'm calling him fortnight pay and drink and junk.
Yeah.
And everybody have, some people have to bring him home. So one evening now, his wife begin to get vexed and said to one of his friend them, oh, why you can't bring home no money? You can't take away money from him. One of his friends, all right, you go, make you stop drink, but you have to work with it.
Yeah.
So he say, you know egg. He have two color. You have a white liquid and a yolk.
Well, we hear about this already, man. Is that joke you tell me, but go and tell me anyway.
Yeah, so him man now Ghana. So he said to him, one night in drunk and bring home me two people them.
Yeah.
So he bring them home now. Bring home my husband. His wife said to him, all right. His man said to him, tell her what you do. Get the egg, bust it and put it in my birthday clothes.
Right.
And take up the next one. And then now, when he wake him on, he say, how is this?
No, but remember, though, you have to tell it right, you know. Remember, say you have to put the egg, but don't put the yolk.
Yeah, don't put the yolk.
Don't put the yolk, all right.
No. And when he wake him on and see the thing, he say, what is this? He say, no, 2 man to bring you home to you so last night. Are you drunk? So through that nung from that day, no drink again.
Michelle, you don't get it. You get it.
And I have one for Michelle, you know.
Yeah.
Michelle, a mighty.
Yeah.
You know how the mighty come?
Oh, Michelle, you get your mighty name now.
All right. Me have a uncle in there with a woman where a woman, his mother in there with a man, but them know a man as mighty, but I don't say man surname.
Uh-huh.
So when he have a pitney now, the pitney go, when he register pitney and ask him, where pitney name? He say, mighty. Like I say, John Mighty.
Yeah.
But I don't say man name, but I say no him man as.
Uh-huh.
So I already start picking, so I say Mighty come in, so I like pick the name Mighty go along the line.
Oh.
I hate that.
I hate that.
Yeah.
You know, so that black one that they lame do. A second one they lame. We keep it real, you know. We keep it real from people, you know. It's second one they lame. The first one could have worked, but the second one pop down. I not lie. It's second one pop down. Hello, it's second one I struggle.
Huh?
But you boss see me, all right?
Yeah, man.
All right, bless you.
When I tell a joke, I say,
yeah, no, man, anytime somebody tell a joke and you hear the awkward pause, they like people are waiting for something else. You know, say no take. Yeah, so, and we're away. Yeah, you say, we're going to have a joke for you, you know, me see this foul, you know, and the foul cross the road.
Him joke, miserable.
Yeah. And I hate that, you know. Foul cross the road, you know. Hello.
Hey, it's Raga.
Who this?
I want you call up online, your Raga.
I want what?
One new caller, first me a touch base.
Okay, you have a news caller.
Yeah, a new caller, but first me a touch base.
New. Yes, sir, where I go down, you know.
Boy, me and listen, you know, I hear the topic about the wifey and matey thing. You don't know where matey are. Matey a spare tire, you know, Raga.
Matey a spare tire?
Yeah, man, matey on the use when it's necessary.
Okay, but sometimes people put on spare tire and then keep the tire there, you know.
Well, all of that, but remember, say, if the tire have the pop down, you use the spare one, you know, Raga.
No, I know, but what I'm saying is, I have seen situations where people put on a spare tire and them don't take it off. And the spare tire stay up on the car permanently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then a matey the spare tire till the next one fix up.
So you was never a matey yet? You was never a matey yet?
Me?
You never take somebody man yet?
No, I'm going to take my body man. A woman take my man.
A woman take your man?
Yes,
But I am asking you, at no point you ever take somebody else, man.
No, man, since me start take man, me look my own man.
Okay.
If people, man, me don't know about it.
So woman always take your man?
All of this, like, me have a man, me have a old man, then a woman, same take him. So me just make she go on with it.
She take him, so you make she go on with him?
Yeah, man.
So the man where you have no any other woman that take him?
Why, me I start out none yet, you know.
Oh, you don't have no man now?
There you go.
Eh?
Your whole life flick last year, you go.
Oh, you go and watch it and just go and take care of yourself, right, you know?
Yeah, man, because, trust me, next time it could be serious.
Okay, so what you say, man, just give up your stress right now that you're more comfortable with yourself, right, you know?
Big time, man, burn out all my nature, like when you spray grandma's zone pan grass, raga.
Well, I'm married. What you say, man, don't know your nature like when you spray grandma's zone pan grass?
Try burn out, raga.
Papa Jesus, so what you say, you don't even feel for no man?
No, raga.
Your nature don't even rise for no man right you know.
I rise for no man right you know, raga.
Papa, so you never watch all the soap opera and like get a little feeling when you see Victor and them man there?
Boy, raga, if we are how me think that me they have an ugly man and think that me cool. And when me see an ugly man flip up on me, raga, me have to just say, sure, watch that.
So you think you did not go and good with your little ugly man, but when you see this an ugly man that can't hype on you, so you must say, boy, nothing really not going for you, though.
Me I tell you, raga.
So the man don't want you?
You have to go wheel and come again, raga.
You have to go do what?
More proper.
Well, may I ask you a question? No man don't want you. When you say you have to go wheel and come again, because no man don't want you?
Why? Me not say no man don't want me, but true, me know in the play thing, you know, raga. Me know in the dippy thing, you know.
Okay, so...
Just loud things, make things, take its course and wheel and come again.
Okay, so you have man who look you do?
Yeah, man, there the place and look me, but
you can't take the foolishness when them are going with nowadays, so I better...
with them, raga.
Alright, you take care, you but respect for your call, we have to go now, here?
Come on, sir.
Alright, you take care. She said, man, kill her nature like when you spray grandma's zone pan grass. Give me one last call. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What's it?
Yes, just big you up. I listen to you every day, but I'm my first call.
This is your first call, okay?
Yes. I just want to tell you something about myself.
Okay, tell me quick.
Big up to the wife, them and stuff.
Yeah.
I was not really was a wife. I still married, but I'm separated now.
Okay.
Woman take away my man, but right now what I do is I burn any man out the road right now.
Right now what you do, I just take man now.
Right.
Because that woman take away your man.
Yeah.
Let me ask you something. Is it more the case that woman take your man or your man left you?
No man, I'm left. But it's like me find out. Say he might cheat and things.
Okay.
So
from you get in another situation where you left your man because our next woman did not take him. Right now you just make up your mind for just take woman man.
I grieve right now.
You grieve right now. So you out there take woman man left, right and center.
Left, right and center.
And you enjoy life that way there?
Yeah.
So it sounds like you rather to be a matey than the wife.
Guess what? Me did I had a baby myself and thing. And you know, and I put my heart to one man and say I'd hit that. And the way into me is like I really grieve.
Okay. So when you were being a good girl, you suffer for it. So now that you're being a bad girl, you're happy.
Yeah, we're Christian now.
You're Christian now?
Yeah, because even my experience, you know, right now me deal with one man.
Yeah.
And it's like, I even yesterday I call him and he's like, when the woman answer, the way I'm frightened, I don't remember who to ask for.
So, but it sounds to me like, say, you take so many women man right you know that when an accident when you don't even know which one I man name them for car.
No, I don't really remember. I don't remember the way I'm frightened.
The way you're frightened?
When they expect you to answer the phone.
Okay, but you know who the woman is though?
Yeah man, I know them.
Okay, because you know, so the first rule of careful burning is always know who for people you take, no?
Yeah man.
Okay, cool. So how much money you have right you know?
Me about
Talk it truth.
I three of them me have.
You have 3 men right now, and the 3 of them have them woman, don't?
Yeah, man, but then things say, are they my only one?
Are them are the only one, but them have them woman, though?
Yeah, man.
Okay, and so how your manager sort out the 3 of them, though? You have to put them on schedule, don't? Oh, so them have them timetable, don't?
Even if they call me and so it's like, me know they can't sleep out, so me start out one, like, you know, or even when I talk to them on the phone or so, it's like me call one certain time.
Yeah.
Like 7, me call one like, you know, 10 o'clock. Me know, like, one wife, no did they? Me will call them in the night.
Well, I forgot now, but if the pressure ever reach you and the problem ever reach you, where you end up, I feel I sort out 2 of them in a one day.
Yeah, man, what you mean? And it come like say nothing to them. It's like them say,
no, what you mean about nothing to them? May I ask you, was it coming like it's nothing to you? You ever sort out the 3 of them in a one day yet?
No, man, 2.
But 2, okay. So you know, feel say you run your body red then, yeah?
No, man, me good same way.
You're strong same way. All right, you take care of yourself. You have to cut you, but you be careful out there, take the woman and man, yeah?
They take from me and they not feel not the way about it.
But it sound like you're on a revenge mission, you're right, you know, and you don't even care, you know, man.
Me not care. Right now, me not take the woman and the man.
Yeah. Take our number, the route. Take our number. We'll call you back tomorrow, yeah? Take our number.